So uyayuzwa ke kuthiwa eSouth Africa sinama 3 big teams.
Yeah.
But iCAF ayikwazi lokho. iCAF ayikwazi lokho. iCAF yazi Sundowns. So number 3 nje kwicontinent sinje siku top 3 ingoba ingenxa yeSundowns. Iqiniso kumele silikhulume noma libaba noma limnyama noma libomvu likanjalo. SikuyiCAF siku top 3 ngenxa yeMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns iphuma ku semi-final, last year iphume kwi final. Yabo?
So okusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi kulama ranking. iSundowns emeli iSouth Africa.
iSundowns esithwele.
PSL.
Yes, iSundowns esithwele. Yabo lento leyo ukuthi nina nidlala ama derby, nidlala ama sold out according to IFFHS and CAF.
Yeah.
Leyo nto leyo means nothing. Ayi-add value
kuma
rankings
compared to amanye ama countries.
Yes, ayi-add lutho.
Yeah, ne.
Uyacabanga ngendlela lento ebhlungu ngayo. Unumber 1 ileague yakhona u500,000. Thina yethu u20 million. Simhlula times 40 Egypt.
Yeah.
I-value ye-Betway Premiership ne-value ye-Egyptian League.
Yeah.
I-Egyptian League times aka 40 4-0. But because ama teams awu 2